Hello everyone, my name is Ivya and in this class of Java programming, let us comprehend about string handling. Java implements strings as objects of type string, making the string handling convenient and easy. It offers innumerable number of methods that can be performed on the string objects, like comparing the strings, searching for a substring, concatenation of strings, changing the case of the letters of a string, etc. A string object once created is immutable. That is, a string object which has the characters in it. If a particular function is performed on the string object, the result of the function is a new object, whereas the original string remains unaltered. And the string class is defined in java.lang package, and by default it is declared as final, and hence it cannot be inherited by a subclass. That is, it cannot be subclassed. String constructors. Java provides number of string constructors to create a string. The first one, to create an empty string, we can declare as string is equal to, using the new operator, string. This will create an empty string. And we can also create a string from an array of characters. See, cats is a character array, and string of character array will create an string object. We can also create a string by specifying the number of characters from the character array. Where here the chars is a character array, int is a start index from which the character should start extracting the string, and the number of characters. And to construct a string object that contains the same character sequence as another string object. That is, we can also create a string object from another string object. String literals. A string can also be created from a string literals. So once a value is initialized to a variable of type Java automatically constructs a string object. So wherever there is a need to create a string object, you can use this concept of string literals. String length. To find out the number of characters that a string contains, we can invoke this method length on a string object. It will return an integer value which is equal to the number of characters that are present in a string. String concatenation. A plus operator is used to concatenate two strings, producing the string object as a result. So this is a simple example. For example, string read equal to a, string s equal to. Here we are using the concatenation, that is plus operator, which will concatenate the strings together. So the output of these statements when executed will give this output. My grade is A. So let us find out a code illustration of the topics that we discussed until now. So here is the code, and as we discussed, this is a first constructor to create an empty string. This will create an empty string, and I am printing the string s1 onto the console. The second constructor will create an object s2 which has a value of hello world. And the third representation, if you see here, character ch, which is a character array, and string s3 is equal to new of string ch. So I am trying to construct a string from the character array. From character array. And there is also another constructor which is used to construct a string. I'm specifying the start index and the number of characters it has to extract from the character array. So I'm fetching, this is a character array, start index is 3. I want to fetch 4 characters after this index 3. So it will fetch the output of this, or the string s4 will now contain the number of characters 4 from starting index 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. S4 will contain Java as the value. And I am using the string literal here. And here I am displaying the length of S3, a string length of S3 and S5. And here I am using the string concatenation, that is operator plus, to concatenate the strings. So let us now execute the code and see the outputs. You see, the first one is empty because we created an empty string. The next one is hello world. The third one is ABC Java. The next one is, as we specified, it fetched the four characters starting from the index 3. And the length of the string S3, which is this one, it has the 7 characters. The length of the string S3 is 15 because, sorry, this should be S5, isn't it? This is S5. Let us re-execute this. So now S5, which is string handling, the number of characters this string has is 15. And the next one is, he is 9 years old. Full. Thank you.